Yeah, we need to talk.
The Men in Black.
Where's the tea? Savoury. Garlic. Still. Wine. Poached. I've inverted that one. It's now the beach. Tomato sauce. Beef. Oh, vanilla. Duh. Negroni. I had a TEASMADE. And it just made this, what happened, it just went, the idea that you get woken up with a pot of tea is fantastic. But the idea that it sounds like, all you hear is, it's like white noise, full volume. I would rather somebody smashed my window and then brought a cup of tea into me. Salt. Yeah, I speak Australian and New Zealand, South African, American. No, I speak French. Je parle français. H is my nickname. Some people seem to call me H, although I didn't realise that Heston in Greek, which is Heston, means shit on you. And I found that out just around my 40th birthday. Jonathan Ross, I was in the green room, Tina Fey's half Greek, maybe a bit more than half Greek, and I'm about to get up. I can hear my name be called, everyone's clapping, and I walk on, straighten myself up, focus, and she says, you do know your name is shit on you in Greek? And it took me 40 years to find that out.